Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your POCO F8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case. It can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, when your screen protector is poorly applied, it's a bad quality one, or it's misaligned with the screen, or it's just too small for the screen, then that can cause the touchscreen to become less responsive, because as you guys can see, whenever something presses on the screen, then you just won't be able to move your fingers. Now, what you guys can do next for the case is whenever it covers even a tiny part of the screen, like the bezels, then it was probably made out of a bad dummy phone. We definitely do not want that, because it can mess up our touchscreen. So the next step, you need to clean your screen with a microfiber cloth to get rid of any moisture, debris, and fingerprints. So I have the cloth right here. Now we can give it like 3 swipes, and 3 swipes is enough to keep our phone screen clean. So now what we can do next is force restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So click the power button and the volume up button. Now from this position, hold the power button for 12 seconds to force restart our device. So we need to keep on holding it. And now we need to keep on holding it until we see the POCO logo appear on the middle of the screen. So now we can let go, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts fully. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So go to the settings, go to about phone, and click on the Xiaomi HyperOS. It will check for updates automatically. All you need is a stable Wi-Fi connection. And after that, what you guys can do is simply update your software if you can, and it should go away. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.